The European Common Space requires us to innovate the methodologies in knowledge management, and even though traditional strategies such as the use of the textbook will always be important, today it is necessary to use other techniques that help prevent failures and give us greater efficiency. With these premises, we started in 2009 a research from the Faculty of Education of the University of Oviedo, Spain, and designed a platform that shows from a new perspective the contents of our subjects, which is the organization of the primary school in this case. And this is the model we are developing: short videos that describe how such an educational center works. But the project presented to show the educational institution today has become the portal Transparent Organizations, or in Spanish, Organizaciones Transparentes, located at the address orgtransparente.org. Here we try to open a window of any organization to its users, and why not, to support the process of democratization of institutions in those countries with capacity problems between citizens and their system. How does the center work specifically, or how does a public institution work? We respond to this inquiry by making a virtual visit to that institution and showing its organization and each of its components an important part so that it works as it does. In this presentation, we use the new technologies that the Internet network made us able to use in order to get to any other place. And we rely on audio-visual language since we understand that it is the real support of the global basic culture. We show different teaching center units, the people who manage them, the important documents, etc. All this is shown with video clips in a free, easy and accessible way for citizens who are using the services provided by teaching institutions, as well as for any person who might wish to take a look inside such institution. The renewal of the institutional image is a problem that many countries are currently trying to solve. This orgtransparente.org project aims to solve the dark points of public and private activity. It is a challenge in which the perspectives of several universities are combined with that of Oviedo, so we have the collaboration of Camilo José Cela University of Madrid, the Albany of New York, the University of Liberec in the Czech Republic, and the UNAM in Mexico. The orgtransparente.org project has been considered the best research proposal of the University of Oviedo, Spain, and it received 2 awards at conferences in the United States for best research work. It should be noted that the implementation of this platform implies a training proposal on the practices carried out as an international reference model, contributing to the knowledge of reality by society as a whole, to the consensus and standardization of good practices. The orgtransparente.org project is innovative in a different way of displaying the contents, and is innovative in that it is a new application of communication technologies. A high social impact is expected since it is necessary to give utility to the offers of the Internet network, but using its own advanced communication strategies. In this sense, the experience is original, since there is no other similar case on the web that shows the interiors of the institution without giving it a commercial sense, and without offering this information in order to achieve sales of the products or services generated by the institution itself. Our proposal of orgtransparente.org is a part of the new European space that gives us the opportunity to show institutions and universal reference models in a common and homologated space. It is intended to analyze the functioning of organizations, give solutions to doubts, and contribute to the development of society with the dissemination and knowledge of real management and the methodologies that can serve institutions that want to be transparent to their users. This is a document from orgtransparente.org.